Welcome to another video about building a PC on PCBS2. This is the PC case that I will be using. Right then, let's go ahead and open it up. Now to choose a motherboard. I will use this one because it has multiple PCIe slots. Now for the CPU, let's use this i9. For the RAM, we will use 32 gigabytes of Golden Royal RAM. I will install 8 sticks, so 256 gigabytes. Now I will apply the thermal paste. That is a good CPU cooler. I will install that. I will remove the PCIe covers now. Now I can add the GPUs. I will water cool this PC so that I can fit all the graphics cards. Now to add the radiator to cool the water. I will remove the front cover and add a radiator there. I have turned it the right way. I will add another radiator. Now for the plumbing, I will be using copper-ridged tubing. I will skip this as it is very boring to watch. See you when it's plumbed up. Now for the power supply. That is a good PSU, and it is a 1300 watt model. Now for the SATA storage. I will install some HDDs and a few SSDs. I will now fill the pump with coolant. Red looks nice. Next, I will be putting the side panel back on. That RGB looks super cool. I will skip the OS install and go straight to the operating system. Now I am going to add 3D Mark to the desktop. I will run it and see what the score is. Wow, 27,446 is a good score. Now I will paint the case and show it to you all at the end. Thank you for watching. The PC has turned out very cool. There will be loads more videos coming soon.